Now we are going to see about conditional statement. Decision making is required when we want to execute a code only if a certain condition is satisfied. There are 4 statements in conditional statement: if else, if elif else, and nested if. First we are going to see about if statement. If statement code will be executed only if the test expression or a given condition is satisfied. If the condition is not satisfied, the program will not display the output. Now we'll see how to run a program. Open Python file, Python idle, and click new files, then enter the conditional statement. If statement. First assign some any variable and give some values for that variable. Number is equal to 5, then enter the condition. If number greater than 4, colon is mandatory. If forgotten to give colon, definitely it will reflect as a error. Then print that statement using a print of number, comma, within double quotes is a true value. Then save the program and run the program. Here the output will display as 5 is a true value, because the given condition is number greater than 4. The condition, what is the condition here? The given value must be greater than 4. So we gave the number as 5. That's why it print as a true value. In case of giving less than 4, the program will not display the result, because the condition is false. If the condition is only satisfied, the output will display in if statement. If the condition is not satisfied, the output will not display, only in the if statement. Next we move on to if else condition. The if else statement evaluates the state expression and will execute the body if only when the test condition is true. The condition is false in if statement, then the else part will execute. For separating the blocks, indentation is used. Now we'll execute the program. If else statement, number equal to 10 if number greater than 10, colon, print of number, comma, within double quotes is a true value, else, colon, print number is a false value, and enclosed with double quotes. Now I am changing the previous value, or else while running the program the output will display an error. Now save and run the code. For if else statement, the output is displayed as 10 is a false value. The reason is in if condition we are giving a condition as number greater than 10. So in above value we are assuming a variable number equal to 10. In if condition we are giving only greater than 10. If we give a condition as greater than or equal to 10, the if part will run In case of getting false value in if, the else part will execute.